I offer my respectful obeisances unto His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. Sri Tulasi is the eternal consort of Lord Krishna and the most pure devotee, and therefore the Tulasi plant is worshipped by Vaishnavas. Simply by worshipping her faithfully, a devotee can free himself from all material miseries. Every day at 5:15 am and at 6:15 pm, Tulasi Puja can be performed. There are three major aspects of Tulasi worship. 1. Sri Tulasi Pranama Mantra. Devotees should first pay their obeisances to Srimati Tulasi Maharani by bowing down and reciting this Tulasi Pranama Mantra. Vrindhyayai Tulasi Devyayai Priyayai Kesavasya Cha Vishnu Bhakti Prade Devi Satyavatyai Namo Namaha. I offer my repeated obeisances unto Vrinda, Srimati Tulasi Devi, who is very dear to Lord Kesava. O Goddess, you bestow devotional service unto Krishna and you possess the highest truth. 2. Sri Tulasi Arati. Offering of incense, lamp, and flowers to Tulasi Devi as the devotees sing the Tulasi Kirtana. Namo Namaha Tulasi Krishna Priyasi Namo Namaha Radha Krishna Seva Babo Iyabhilasi. O Tulasi, beloved of Krishna, I bow before you again and again. My desire is to obtain the service of Sri Sri Radha and Krishna. Yeto marasaranaloy Taravancha purna hoy Kripa kori koro tare Vrindavanavasi. Whoever takes shelter of you has his wishes fulfilled. Bestowing your mercy on him, you make him a resident of Vrindavana. Moreya Bilasha Vilasa Kunja Diyo Vasa Nayana Haribo Sada Yugalaruparasi. My desire is that you will also give me a residence in the pleasure groves of Sri Vrindavanadama. Thus, within my vision, I will always behold the beautiful pastimes of Radha and Krishna. E nivedane dara sakiranu gate koro sevadikara diye koro nijadasi. I beg you to make me a follower of the cowherd damsels of Braja. Please give me the privilege of devotional service and make me your own maid servant. Dina Krishna Dasa hoy, Yena Mora hoy, Sri Radha Govinda Preme Sada Yena Basi. This very fallen and lowly servant of Krishna prays, may I always swim in the love of Sri Radha and Govinda. 3. Sri Tulasi Pradakshina. Devotees circumambulate Tulasi Devi chanting the Pradakshina mantra. Yani kani cha papani Brahma hatyadi kani cha Tani tani pranashyandi Pradakshina pade pade. By the circumambulation of Srimati Tulasi Devi, all the sins that one may have committed are destroyed at every step, even the sin of killing a Brahmana. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Om Tat Sat.